Adventures of Wheeze. I missed. I take it back, I'm not vile, I'm sorry, I'm Locke. Ah! Don't shoot if you see the massive freaking helicopter. It's like Locke, but I actually do things.
No. Yes, and no. Oh, I can't. Ah! Right. Oh, no.
I'm out of rockets. I have to do it the old-fashioned way.
Leave that in.
How's it going? Oh god! Hey man. Look, you don't have to do this. You don't have to do this. You don't have to do this, man.
What happened to dinner?
You crushed me!
Oh shoot, where's the phase shift? There we go. Got it.
Penis. Ah!
That Bane?
I don't... Wait, did that actually play in game?
Yeah.
I wouldn't do that if I were you. I have a rocket full of helicopter missiles that I can't aim.
My duo's funny.
Was there just a bomb in midair?
You're about to witness the greatest thing since sliced bread.
Sliced bread was invented in 1927. You're gonna have to be more specific. Oh my god, you look so goofy when you do that. Whoa.
The heck?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh! I can still use it.
You're big error, you know that.
Why am I an error?
I don't know. Why are you grappling me? What glad?
Ah!
Medic! Medic! Oh my gosh, it's Shrek! Shrek!
You still take my health at an alarming rate.
Wrong! I'm
Hold on.
depressed. Wait, depressed group. Bruh.
I need that picture. Alright, I got the picture. Thanks, man. That was directly in the groin.
Tommy!
I missed.
Tommy! Ah! Rematch.
Now let's just pretend I'm your dad for a minute. I've got you. No! Son!
He was too pained. The pain was painful.
I got you the milk. Oh.
And then magically there were a bunch of pipe bomb.
Little
Oh
Timmy
gosh.
decided to make an attack helicopter.
What is the ground right now? Now, we have to study this bomb real quick, because at any given moment...
Study this, man.
What is that? Stop. Oh, that's not a bomb. Man.
Ah, he knows how to use the guns now. He knows how to use the guns now.
Get rid of the failed experiment. That's a lot of dead Where's that game? Man, a lot of dead people here today. Why another? Gru versus Shrek. Who wins?
Which of these titans wins?
Oh, you're big now. I gotta get bigger. It's bigger. It's better. It's just too much. Colossal Titan. Oh my. Ooh, that's not good.
Well,
Oh,
you
no.
spawn on like a crap ton of them real quick. I wanna do some.
Oh no. Oh
Why
no.
is
No,
Mr. Narrator gone completely quiet?
It's working on I maybe put a little too much. Okay, there we go.
I only killed like
There we
most
go. I fixed it. Guys, we have potato.
Probably edit out those parts anyway, don't worry.
Yeah, alright.
Alright, Noah, here we go.
What is? Oh, no. He hit the pentacle.
Was that seriously your joke?
I don't know.
Was that actually the joke?
Did they not
No.
go? Oh, wait, no. They, like, it didn't even drop them. Hold on.
This is an airstrike. I keep getting the tank in the water. What should I?
Go, no! No! So hard, because, like, good God, the flag I'm dealing with here.
Okay. Enough with that terrible, terrible
God,
couch.
I can't even do this. There we go.
Alright, hold
Nope.
on, Noah. I got you. We gotta put thrusters on. Oh, why'd you
Fine.
undo the helicopter? Alright, we have to, like, put thrusters on the helicopter, obviously.
Right. See? Red!
Ah,
I hate you for that one.
We can put him on the front. And then he can...
Oh my god!
no! No! Please don't tell me, please don't tell me, please don't tell me, please don't tell me. No, 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 no. Don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me.
The
It shouldn't
spy
have.
TF... The
Those
spy
were low
TF2.
power bombs.
The spy
Check it,
TF2
check it,
must
check
be
it.
put on the front.
Oh,
Did you put
God.
bombs on the front?
Yes!
Okay, put him on the...
Delicately. Delicately.
Right there, right there.
Gosh, that.
Nice.
Delicately.
There. Okay. Okay. Are you guys still doing a bit or something?
Colin's
Kind of.
trying to do... I don't know what he's trying to do with this thing. We need heavy on the
Wait, are you
side.
what are you
No.
guys making?
I don't know what we're making. It's Colin's idea for
No.
something. You-
Fine.
I thought this was I thought this was Carl Weezer's Adventures. Like,
It
why is
is,
Shrek?
man.
If I could,
You're saying
bro, how are you supposed to have? How are you gonna have both Shrek and Carl unless Noah's willing to be Shrek?
matter, man.
Why?
Damn it, no,
What
Colin,
happened?
Why
Colin,
did it blow
dude,
up?
you need to like you. You've got. Why am I like? What is going on? Noah, do you see this? I don't even know what the heck was that. What did I
G-Man.
do? What the heck did I do?
You were G-Man.
Why'd
Hop in, son.
Oh, hey! Yeah!
Oh, he's in the vehicle. Okay, there you go. What? What in Sam Hill?
What happened?
I just saw Obama.
Dad! Don't leave me!
Son, if you're not man enough to stay in the tank, you're not man at all.
What did you see, Dad?
Son, I saw Obama. We're gonna go fight him.
Obama? Dad,
Obama!
stop! Oh,
Hold on. I gotta
I'm
weigh
a
in.
man! I'll be your man! Yeah!
I gotta weigh in, son. I can't. I appear to be stuck.
Wait. Tell him about this.
Oh no.
He-
Oh,
Oh,
that makes sense.
Dad, where are we?
That oh
What's that?
son, I don't know how to tell you.
Dad, are we in the back rooms?
uh son, this is something mortal I should not see, especially something so young.
Text?
I'm sorry, son.
Look at the computer. Look at the TV on the desk, my good sir.
Everything left loose.
Turn around.